Come on, watch this video and learn why by not engaging with your social media or anybody else, you are being a complete lemon. Okay, so let's get it sorted. Watch the video, get these 5 really good tips to help you engage. So don't give me none of that shy stuff. Don't give me none of that I can't be bothered. Watch the video all the way to the end, and it will make a difference to the amount of money that you can earn from your social media and your business. Come on, do it now. Okay, we're talking about engagement, and what I mean is not about getting engaged to somebody to be married. What I'm talking about is engagement in our lives and in our business and how that affects different people. Now, I get loads of businesses come to me and they'll say, do you know what, Ash, social media doesn't work, networking doesn't work. And the reality of it is, when you actually drill down into that and look at these people, what actually comes up is that they're absolutely rubbish at engaging with people. They don't actually get into the nitty-gritty of relationship building.
It's not the social media or the networking that doesn't work. It's your strategy that doesn't work. Change your strategy. Just listen on.
And, you know, for me, that is the whole point. And recently in one of my MAD groups, our Making a Difference group, we talked about engagement in our social media challenge. And the people that actually engaged with their followers got more out of it. Now, for me, it's a no-brainer. If your business is not doing well, or you're not doing well in life, you need to do more. You need to get engaged. Now, maybe just think about this quote that I'm going to give you here. The quality of your life is directly proportional to the quality of your relationships. And the quality of your relationships are directly proportional to the quality of your engagement and communication. So if you want a better life, you need to engage and communicate with people more. It's no good going to a party and sitting in the corner and not talking to anybody. It's no good going to a network meeting and sitting in a corner and expecting people to come to you and talk to you.
Waiting is an absolute trap. Why would you keep sitting back waiting? You need to take action. Get out there and do it now.
It's the same with social media. It's no good just sitting and watching what everybody else is doing. Engagement really is the key. Get involved and start asking questions to people. Ask good, open, solid questions to these people, and then get interested in what they're telling you. If you do that, you will be so much better than just sitting there watching. Now, one of the things that comes out to me is people, what they do, they focus on their weaknesses when they're trying to engage with people, and they think, oh, well, I'm not very good at that, or I'm not very good at this. So they don't actually engage because they're worried about what the other person might think, or that they've got nothing of value to say.
The path to true happiness is being independent of the good opinion of other people. So stop worrying about what other people think. It's none of your business.
So let me give you a few tips about focusing on your strengths to start with. So, you know, what do you like about talking to other people? You know, think about that, and maybe to improve your communication with other people, get used to asking open questions for them people. The next bit, what are you proud of? There must be loads of good things in your life. So identify those good things, because you can then actually look for those same things in other people. So you can then talk to other people about that. You know, does anybody pay you a compliment about something? Think about the last compliment that somebody paid you, and then look for that in other people so you can actually have something in common and start to build some rapport. What makes you happy? You know, think about what makes you happy, and then look for what makes other people happy. Then you can start to engage with them about that sort of thing. But the real crucial thing here for you is to think about actually getting involved. It's no good sitting on the sidelines. You need to get involved with people and build the relationship. At the end of the day, if you don't start that journey, it's not going to go anywhere. So there's nothing to lose by getting engaging with people and get talking to them. So there's loads more detail in the blog. So read the blog, and there's real lot in there. And what I'm going to ask you to do after this, engage in this YouTube channel. Engage with me in the comments below, and let's see what we can do with that. See how many people that we can get engaged. What do you think? And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.